Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I will be doing my friend's makeup. I'm going ahead to just like carve her brows to trim it out and make it look neat and wipe the face. Then I'll be going in with the brow soap that I got from AliExpress. I'll try to link it in the description below. Then I'll go in with the brow pencil from L'Oreal in I think that is a blonde brow pencil. Well, I would not be talking much in this video, like it's really self-explanatory, and I just will probably will list the products that I use. Right now I'm just going to just lightly brush the brows and use my thumb to lift the brows up so that I'm able to get like a really good arc for the brows. You know, the nitty-gritty of the brows. Then after I'm done, I'll brush it, just go in properly with the brows. Then I'm going to be using the e.l.f. moisturizer on her face. It has a glowing effect. I think I got it for like $11 or $10. And also we'll be going in with the e.l.f. putty primer. Majority of the products that I use today are actually drugstore. Actually, all of the products that I use today are very drugstore and very affordable. The pillow is based in Rumor Zero. I think I used in Rumor Zero, yes, because it's white. And I'm just using a shader brush just to blend it and tap it in properly. Then I'll be using my Juvia's Place palette in the Masquerade palette, the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. So I'm just going ahead to do my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna keep quiet through this so you can watch the video. Primer that I use, I'm using the same eyeshadow primer that I use, which is the Rumor base, just to cut the crease. But to get that sharp crease, I use Vaseline and Q-tip to clean up the eyeshadow. And I'm going back in with my transition shade that I used to that I blend out in my crease to blend out the concealer, the primer on the side. You know, just going in lightly just to blend it out a little bit. All of the products that I use today, like I use just one eyeshadow palette for this look. I went back in with my House Laboratory liquid liner pencil. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match, I think in C003 to as a foundation. It has a little bit of yellow undertone to it, but it gives her the tan to match with her shoulder. If you see it, like it really matches with her shoulder. Then I use the L'Oreal Infallible Wear. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. That's what I also use to highlight her face. And I use a brush. I love to use brush because I love brush. Brush is better for me. I contoured with my Juvia's Place. I think what I would have done is I would have gone a little bit lighter on the contour, but when you blend it out properly, it's still like when I blended it out properly, I still liked it. Then I'm using the Cartier London Everyday Vacation Coconut Setting Powder to set a face and all the places that I highlighted, a forehead, under eye, under the contour, and at the bridge of her nose. I'm going to be using the powder to set the face. It's called the Coconut Setting Powder, and I'll be going in with, I have like a powder palette that I have from Classic Makeup. You're Nigerian, you will know that. That's what I use to blend a contour in. Then I'll be using L'Oreal like the L'Oreal True Match powder to do our face, like all of our face. Then I just go in. I think I should just shut up so you can watch it. For the highlights, I use the EXO highlighter. I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of the two. But like, can you see that? Just see that. I'm just going back in with the brush to brush it properly. See the highlight, see the glow on her face. It's not too much, it's not blinding, but her face is tan, like it's contoured. She looks different. Her eyelash, her face is popping. Can you see that? I think I should shut up. Let me say that. I'm saying that again. I'm just gonna shut up. Then for the lip pencil, I am going in with the ColourPop in 3 or BFF2, one of the two, to set our lips, with the Anastasia lip cream lip nude in nude. Then after that, I'm going to be going in with my lip gloss from my collection. It's called the Atarodo Beauty. I would put the link in the description below so you can go and check out my website. It's not up yet, but that's the gloss that I use. I use the gloss GIDI. It's like a baby pink. When you see it on the website. And yes, I'll just leave you guys to watch the rest. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm saying again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the video, let me know. I'll do more of this. I'll do more different color, different skin tone for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much.